This is a hooded crow. I saw him break this branch off in a different tree, and he's dealing with it, but I want to know where he's going to take it. It's a tricky one to handle. Look, where's he going with it? We don't have hooded crows in Glasgow, but I see them in Inverness and I see them in Belfast, so maybe this is where he's starting. Oh, look. Tricky, that stick. What's he going to do with it? Oh, he's dropped it. Bad luck, buddy. All that work for nothing, eh? You going to break another one off? Oh, too bad. So here I am in Victoria Park, Belfast, at the usual place where the herons like to roost, and I've got three. There's one in a tree, there's one down there by the fence. That one by the fence, I believe, is a young one. Yeah, he looks a bit more like Newton, doesn't he? And then there's the one down by the water, doing the one leg, and this is the island they're on. Beautiful place, beautiful day, nice.